Hello and welcome to Target Language English. English has three article choices: a, an, and the, and sometimes we use no article at all. In this video, we're going to talk about a and an. They're called indefinite articles. The word indefinite means not specific. So when we use a or an, we're usually talking about one thing, but not one specific thing. So the first important idea is a and an mean one non-specific thing. For example, I saw a dog. This means I saw one dog, but I'm not saying exactly which dog. It is not specific. Another example, she ate an apple. This means she ate one apple, but again, we do not know exactly which apple. It's not a specific apple. Now we have another question. When do we use a and when do we use an? The basic rule is simple. Use a before a consonant sound. Use an before a vowel sound. Listen carefully. We're talking about the sound, not just the first letter. So a before a consonant sound, an before a vowel sound. Let's look at some examples. A book, a car, a dog, a teacher, a student. An before a vowel sound, an apple, an egg, an idea, an orange. So we say a book because the word book starts with the consonant sound. But we say an apple because the word apple starts with the vowel sound. We also say a university, but an umbrella. Both words begin with the letter U, but the sound is different. The word university starts with a consonant sound, so we used a university. The word umbrella starts with a vowel sound, so we used an umbrella. We also say a house because the first sound is a consonant, a house. But we say an hour because here the H is silent and the word starts with a vowel sound, an hour. Remember, the article depends on the sound that comes next. One more important thing about the indefinite article. We use a and an only with singular countable nouns. A and an mean one, so the noun also has to be singular. We do not use a or an with plural nouns. A countable noun is something we can count. A book or one book, 2 chairs, 5 apples, and so on. We use a or an only with countable nouns. We do not use the indefinite article with uncountable nouns. We'll talk more about countable and uncountable nouns in another video. For now, some examples of uncountable nouns are rice, knowledge, furniture, air, information, love, cheese, and so on. Remember, we do not use a or an with uncountable nouns. Let's now sum up. Use a before a consonant sound. Use an before a vowel sound. Use a and an only with singular countable nouns. Before we finish, let's do a short quiz. Look at each example and choose a or an. You can pause the video if you need more time. Ready? Let's start. Let's now check your answers. Number 1. An idea. We used an because the word idea starts with a vowel sound. Number 2. A cat. We used a because the word cat starts with a consonant sound. Next, a car. Car starts with a consonant sound, so we used a. An old car. The word immediately after the article is old, and it starts with a vowel sound. An old car. An apple. The word apple starts with a vowel sound, so we used an. A big apple. The word after the article starts with a consonant sound, so we used a. A hotel. The word starts with a consonant sound, and of course we used a. A happy child. We have the same thing here. The word happy starts with a consonant, a happy child. An honest person. The H here is silent, and the word starts with a vowel, an honest person. Next, we have an uncle. The first sound is a vowel, so we use an. And finally, a uniform. The word uniform starts with a consonant, a uniform. How many did you get right? You can write your score in the comments. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.